The home-based business that requires no experience to succeed. Hey guys, back again, and I found this business. Well, I didn't really find it. I've been doing it for a number of years, and it's perfect for that person who wants to sell online. And the cool thing about this business, and I'm going to tell you all about it in this video and how you can get started, is this particular business, everybody involved with you, they want you to succeed. They want you to succeed. Crazy, right? And they'll all help you to succeed in this one particular business that I'm going to talk about in this video. Stay to the very end so that you can get all the information. Hey, we're back again, and this is the video that so many people need because there's so many people out there now, and they're like, man, I want to work from home. You know, my boss won't let me work from home. I still got to drive to work. I got to go out. Gee, I'd like to be able to work from some beach like you do, or a cruise ship or whatever, but I can't do it because all these businesses online, all these other businesses, a restaurant or a hair salon or nail salon, you know, you got to go somewhere, and heck, most of them are closed anyhow. You couldn't open one of those businesses if you want to, except for the one I'm going to tell you about right now. This business you can not only open right now, but you could actually be making money in a matter of a day or two. And this particular business I'm going to tell you about right now doesn't require an investment for anything. Matter of fact, if you've got a laptop right now, you probably got everything you need. I mean, maybe $100-200 you may have to invest, but you could easily make that many times over when you start this particular business. And this particular business is easier to start now than it was 2009 when I got online over a decade ago. This business is for the average person that wants to make money online. And what is this miraculous business? It's drop shipping. Now let me explain to you how this works first off, before you say, oh my gosh, drop shipping doesn't work, drop shipping is something that is a scam, and oh my gosh, you can't make any money drop shipping. Oh yes you can. So who are some of the biggest drop shippers in the world? Let me think of one you may have heard of. Have you ever heard of Amazon? One of the biggest drop shippers in the world. Have you ever heard of Target? Have you ever heard of Walmart? Have you ever heard of Home Depot? All these companies are drop shippers. Matter of fact, I drop ship products for Walmart. Okay, I actually do that. My products get sold on their site, and we actually drop ship those products, and my products get sold on many different sites. But why is it in drop shipping that everybody wants you to succeed? Here's why: because everybody's dependent upon you for their success, so they're more than willing to help you out. Here's how the drop shipping model works for most successful drop shippers. They get a place to sell their products. Now I would recommend Shopify. If you look down in the description, you're going to see a link to Shopify, and you can set up a Shopify store there, and I believe it's a free trial or $1 or something like that, but you can set up your Shopify store. Now Shopify only makes money if you stay there. They have a monthly fee that you pay, but it's not much, $20-30, something like that, and the only way they're going to get that fee is if you keep your store up. So they're there to help you. They have one of the most incredible support teams. They have one of the most incredible platforms. They bend over backwards to help you out in any way they possibly can, because their success depends on you. Now, as far as products, how does that work? Well, what you're going to do is you're going to find products that a manufacturer has, or that a distributor has, that will send it to your customer for you. So in other words, you don't have to actually buy any inventory. You don't have to fork over any money. When I first started selling online, I had to buy inventory. I was selling cell phone cases, which I lost money on, but that's beside the point. The point is I had to buy inventory. With my survival food company, I have to make inventory. Got to keep it in the warehouse, got to have it ready for when people want to buy it. So all those things require huge investments. But if you have a Shopify store and you use something like AliExpress is a company that has a website that has all these manufacturers, all these distributors of products that are more than willing to ship a product out to your customer for you when you pay them for the product. But here's the cool thing: the products on AliExpress are about, you know, sometimes a quarter or a fifth of the price of what somebody would actually pay for the product. So that allows you a lot of profit. Okay, it allows you a lot of room to make some money. And guess what? The people on AliExpress, those distributors, those wholesalers, guess what they want for you? They want you to have a lot of business. And why do they want you to have a lot of business? Because that's the only way they're going to sell their products. So see, so far we've got Shopify that wants you to succeed. We've got AliExpress that wants you to succeed. And there's another link to this, and it's called Oberlo. Oberlo is a piece of software that links your Shopify store to AliExpress, so that when somebody places an order, it sends that order to AliExpress with a click of a button, and that product can be shipped out to your customer, and you've never paid for the product until you've put the order in for an order that you've already been paid on. That's a pretty good business model, don't you think? I think so. I think that's pretty cool. Now, my survival food company kind of works that way too. People will put our survival food products on their websites. They sell it. When they sell it, they collect the money. When they collect the money, they pay the wholesale cost, and we ship it out for them. I do this every single day. Okay, these products are shipped out every single day. So drop shipping it's just a godsend. Now, here's the cool thing about drop shipping. Not only does Shopify want me to succeed, AliExpress wants me to succeed. So if I ever had a problem on AliExpress, that website's going to help you out, trust me. In addition to that, Oberlo wants me to succeed. Now, what's the next thing? Well, if I run an ad, let's say I run a Facebook ad, or I run a YouTube ad, or a Google ad, all those companies want me to succeed. Why do they want me to succeed? Well, because if I succeed, guess what they get? More business from me. They get more ads from me. They make more money from me. So as you can see, this is a pretty good setup. You got all these people encircling you right now, all these people all the way around you that only are successful if you are successful. Now, here's the crazy thing. Here's the crazy thing. All of these companies are wildly successful. So if somebody's telling you you can't make money on drop shipping, you ask them, then why is AliExpress a multi-billion-dollar company? Why is Shopify one of the richest companies in the world now? Why is Oberlo one of the most profitable companies around now? Why is Facebook doing so well? Why is YouTube doing so well? Why is Google doing so well? It's because of that drop shipper that's in that circle of all these people that want you to succeed. Okay, so if you think about it that way, and you start to realize it that way, you can not only start a business that's very profitable and make a lot of money, but you could be surrounded by helpful people. Pretty cool deal. And none of these people, not one of them, will charge you for their expertise or assistance. Why? Because they only are successful if you are successful. Now, when I first started out 2009, you know, I don't even know if AliExpress was around at the time, but I know it was a lot more difficult, and a lot of the drop shippers you couldn't trust, and they wouldn't get product out to your customer. It's not like that anymore. Those drop shippers now realize that you're their customer, and they want you to succeed, or you're not going to come back to them. You're not going to buy from them anymore. So they want to make you happy. Super important that you realize the importance of this. It doesn't mean you shouldn't check the reviews. You shouldn't check to see how well they're doing, how many products they ship out, you know, what their ratings are. You should do all of that. But for the most part, they want you to succeed, and you can find drop shippers in the US too. If you want to use US drop shippers, I'm a US drop shipper. Okay, I don't ship overseas. I sell my survival food products in the US, and I drop ship them for our clients. But I certainly, you know, do not ship overseas. I don't do it, and I'm in the US. So if you wanted to sell my survival food products, you could become a retailer for us. You could go to ShareASale, which we have an account there. You could do that. And you can also go to ShareASale. By the way, that's one little, I guess, bonus I'm going to give you in this video. There's a lot of products on ShareASale that if you just send traffic to their site and people buy, they're willing to pay you a commission. Don't even have to worry about delivery. You don't have to worry about any of that, because the way ShareASale works is you send a customer to their website, and the customer buys on their website, and they don't even know you exist. Right? Only thing they know from you is that they got a link from you. Maybe you had a website and you had a blog and you had a link going back to some products, but they always buy from the actual seller of the product, but they are cookied. And when they're cookied like that, you're actually going to get the commission on there, whatever that commission is. And it can vary wildly, but the bottom line is you can also do that. You can add that to your Shopify store and increase the amount of money you're going to make. So I got to tell you, if you've heard of drop shipping and you haven't been successful, or you haven't tried it, it's probably the way you've gone about it. Now, below in the description, I actually have a course on drop shipping, on setting up your store and all that. You can look for Digital Cash Academy, which tells you all about drop shipping. You can also look for Ecom Road. Ecom Road will show you how to set up your Shopify store. And I've also got a free course down there. There's a free course down there you can click on. No credit card required. You just click and learn. Simple and easy to do, but there is training out there. And if you want more information on Shopify or drop shipping, search my channel for Shopify or drop shipping, and you will find more information on that on this very channel. Stay on this channel. Don't search the vast internet. Don't search all of YouTube. Search my channel, because that's where the information is that's going to help you out with this, and it's absolutely free. Okay, everything on this channel is absolutely free. There's over 700 videos on here, and I've sold millions of dollars of both digital and physical products. So the stuff I teach you on here, I'm actually physically doing every single day. We sell products every day, we sell courses every day. So this is where you want to be. You're in the right ecosystem. Okay, but the other right thing for you to do is smash that subscribe button below. That's what you got to do. You got to smash the subscribe button and turn on all bell notifications. That's important. You won't get the opportunity to smash this bell. You will not get the opportunity to even see this bell unless you hit the subscribe button, because it won't appear. It won't appear unless you hit the subscribe button. So it's in the order of importance. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, turn on all notifications, and don't forget, you know this to be true. You like this video, give me a thumbs up down there. You know that's true. You know that. Come on now, you like this video, you're still here, you wouldn't be here otherwise. Do me a favor also, all kidding aside, make sure you put your comments below. If you've got questions about some of this stuff, I want you to be crystal clear about what you're doing, and the only way to do that is get your questions answered. As you progress through your journey to making money online, you're going to have questions. Come back to this channel, put comments on videos, ask questions about videos. I'm here to help you. That's what I do. Now, how do I make money doing that? I don't make any money doing that. What I make money on is people realizing that I'm here to help them, and then every now and then somebody will buy a course from me. Yeah, every now and then they'll buy a course from me. Every now and then they'll buy some of my survival food. For the most part they don't, but I only need a small percentage that gives me money, and the rest of you can get all this stuff for free. That's a pretty good deal, right? Thank you so much for listening to this video. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget your comments, don't forget your subscribe, notification, likes. I think we hit it all. Thank you so much for listening. I'll see you in the next video. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right there so you can be notified every time I do a new video. Also, click on one of those videos there. Keep watching on my channel.